Right now, that $80,000 truck in your driveway is just a fragile, rolling smartphone. You signed an 84-month loan for a plastic computer that dies the second the grid fails, a cyber attack hits, or a manufacturer pushes a bad update. When the screens go dark, your state-of-the-art 4x4 instantly becomes a useless 6,000-pound coffin. You are completely at the mercy of microchips you cannot fix. But hidden across America, veteran mechanics are quietly hoarding the last true mechanical survivors. They are exploiting a forgotten secret called the Pre-OBD Loophole to guarantee their absolute freedom. Here is what they are buying.
Kicking off our survival list at number 5 is the undisputed king of blue-collar American reliability, the 1987 to 1996 Ford F-150 old body style, equipped with the legendary 4.9-liter 300 cubic inch inline 6 engine. Back in the golden days of American manufacturing, engineers built engines out of heavy cast iron, not the flimsy recycled plastics and stressed-out aluminum we are forced to buy today. When you look under the hood of a modern F-150, you are staring at a fragile, twin-turbocharged nightmare with a plastic oil pan that requires an advanced degree in computer science and a $3,000 dealership scanner just to diagnose a simple misfire. The working man has been completely priced out of maintaining his own vehicle, but the old body style Ford with the 300 inline 6 is the ultimate remedy to this modern automotive sickness. This motor was not designed to win drag races off the stoplight. It was engineered to outlast the steel frame it sits on. Ford shoved this exact same power plant into delivery step vans, heavy farm tractors, industrial wood chippers, and airport baggage tugs because you simply cannot kill it with conventional abuse. The secret lies in its primitive, overbuilt architecture. Instead of relying on a cheap rubber timing belt that will snap and destroy your engine block, or a stretched-out timing chain, the camshaft in this beast is driven by massive interlocking steel gears. It produces pure, low-end tractor torque that will pull an oak tree out of the ground at idle. If the power grid goes down tomorrow and you lose access to premium synthetic oils and computerized dealership diagnostics, this inline 6 will keep firing on all cylinders. It operates with purely mechanical logic. You can fix almost anything on this truck with a basic socket set and a hammer on the side of a dirt road. It represents a proud era when ownership actually meant you owned the machine, instead of the machine owning you through constant wireless software updates and expensive dealership subscriptions. If you agree that the old Ford Inline 6 is the absolute greatest gas engine ever built, hit that like button right now and let me know in the comments if you would trust your survival to this American tank.
Coming in at number 4 is the ultimate deep cut for true American purists, the 1969 to 1975 International Harvester Lightline pickup featuring the legendary 345 cubic inch V8 engine. Today, if you want a heavy-duty truck, you were forced to buy a luxury land yacht with massaging leather seats and an infotainment screen bigger than your first television. These modern rigs cost more than a starter home and will completely shut down if a single wheel speed sensor gets a little mud on it. We are living in an era of engineered obsolescence where manufacturers actively design vehicles to be impossible for the average guy to fix in his own driveway. But long before Detroit started building delicate grocery getters, the men who actually fed this country relied on International Harvester. This was a company that built literal farm tractors and commercial heavy equipment, and they essentially decided to wrap a pickup truck body around their industrial-grade drivetrains. The 345 V8 was not some high-revving sports car motor adapted for towing. It was a massive, low-compression block of solid cast iron designed to run at full throttle all day long in dusty fields without ever overheating or failing. Just like our number 5 pick, this engine completely ignores the modern plague of fragile timing chains, utilizing massive steel gear-driven camshafts that simply do not break. In a post-grid collapse world, you do not need a truck that can do 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. You need a primitive, overbuilt piece of agricultural equipment that can drag a loaded trailer through a ruined landscape without a single microchip to fry. while your neighbor is stranded because his 2026 luxury pickup cannot connect to a cellular tower to update its emission software. This international harvester will fire up on old, degraded gasoline and keep pushing forward. It is the pure definition of analog survival, built during an era when American steel actually meant something and vehicles were engineered to outlive their owners. Finding one of these hidden in a forgotten barn is like finding mechanical gold, and they are disappearing fast. If you remember seeing these unstoppable iron giants working out on your grandfather's farm, back when trucks were actually used for work, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because we have even more legendary survivors coming up on this list. Taking the number 3 spot on our grid collapse survival list is the globally recognized standard for warfare and durability, the 1981 to 1990 Toyota pickup, equipped specifically with the purely mechanical 22R carbureted 4-cylinder engine. Today, if you buy a mid-sized truck in America, you are paying over $50,000 for a highly stressed, turbocharged 4-cylinder that relies on a complex web of direct injection, high-pressure fuel pumps, and a massive touchscreen just to adjust the climate control. We are forced into this digital ecosystem where you cannot even change your own battery without the truck's main computer going into a panic mode and requiring a specialized dealer reset. It is an absolute insult to the American consumer who just wants a simple, honest machine that actually works. But back in the 1980s, Toyota perfected the art of building a lightweight, indestructible 4x4 that could conquer any terrain on Earth with barely any moving parts. Notice I said the 22R and absolutely not the 22RE. That E stands for electronic fuel injection, and in a true grid-down scenario or a localized electromagnetic pulse, we want absolutely zero electronics. We want the pure mechanical vacuum and physics of a traditional carburetor. This engine is a masterpiece of simplistic, bulletproof engineering that strips away all the bloated, fragile technology of the 2020s. There are no complicated wiring harnesses to melt down, no delicate mass airflow sensors to trick the engine computer, and no mandatory wireless software updates. It mixes fuel and air the way pure physics intended. If something goes wrong with this little engine in the middle of a desert, you do not need a $3,000 dealership diagnostic scanner or a monthly subscription service to figure out the problem. You can fix it with a simple flathead screwdriver, a basic wrench, and a roll of duct tape. It is a nimble, lightweight 4x4 that can traverse washed-out roads, navigate ruined infrastructure, and squeeze through abandoned highways while barely sipping fuel. The frame might rust away to dust long before that little 22R engine ever gives up the ghost. If you appreciate a truck that you can actually fix yourself on the side of a trail without a laptop, share this video with a friend who desperately needs a reality check on their brand new luxury pickup. Securing the highly coveted number 2 spot on our grid-down survival list is the ultimate classified military secret hiding in plain sight, the 1982 to 1987 Chevrolet and GMC K30 commercial utility cargo vehicle, powered by the naturally aspirated 6.2-liter Detroit diesel engine. Right now, you are being sold a total lie by modern automakers who want you completely trapped in their digital ecosystem. Today's heavy-duty diesels are suffocated by sensitive diesel exhaust fluid systems, complex particulate filters, and high-pressure fuel pumps that will completely destroy the entire engine block if you accidentally pump a single gallon of contaminated fuel. If you were trying to survive a systemic collapse, an $8,000 dealership repair bill because of a bad digital fuel sensor is an absolute death sentence. We have completely lost our way as a nation, trading genuine rugged capability for heated steering wheels and giant Bluetooth infotainment centers. But back in the Cold War era, the United States military needed a tactical vehicle that was genuinely foolproof, an analog tank disguised as a civilian pickup truck. They chose the 1-ton solid-axle heavy-duty square-body platform and dropped in the 6.2-liter Detroit diesel. This engine is notoriously slow, and it is incredibly
incredibly loud, but it is an unstoppable force of pure mechanical endurance. It utilizes a fully mechanical rotary injection pump that requires absolutely zero computer modules to fire the cylinders. In an apocalyptic scenario where clean diesel at the corner gas station is a distant memory, this primitive beast becomes your greatest asset. It does not need premium-grade, ultra-low sulfur fuel to survive. You can run this heavy cast iron block on ancient farm diesel, kerosene, home heating oil, filtered transmission fluid, or even used motor oil if you are desperate enough. Try pouring that into a 2026 luxury truck and watch the dashboard light up like a Christmas tree right before the engine permanently locks up and leaves you stranded. This is the exact reason why veteran preppers are quietly scouring government surplus auctions to buy these analog trucks in cash. If you agree that modern diesels have become way too fragile and overcomplicated for their own good, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have ever driven an old square-body Chevy.
Finally, at the absolute top of our survival list, taking the #1 spot as the undisputed holy grail of the pre-OBD loophole, is the 1994 to 1998 Dodge Ram, equipped with a legendary 12-valve Cummins diesel engine. Today's diesel market is an absolute joke. You are taking out a mortgage-sized loan for an $80,000 truck that will completely shut down and leave you stranded on the highway just because it ran low on diesel exhaust fluid or a single electronic nitrogen oxide sensor decided to fail. We have allowed the government and out-of-touch engineers to mandate so many electronic emissions controls and fragile high-pressure fuel systems that modern heavy-duty trucks are essentially giant, delicate laptops. If an electromagnetic pulse hits or the grid collapses, every single 2026 diesel truck on the road will instantly brick itself, becoming a worthless, highly depreciating paperweight. But back in the mid-1990s, Dodge and Cummins created a masterpiece of primitive, unstoppable force. We are talking specifically about the models equipped with the Bosch P7100 mechanical fuel injection pump, widely known by veteran mechanics as the P-pump. This massive injection pump is completely gear-driven directly off the engine's camshaft. It does not need a single microchip, a fragile engine control module, or a cellular data connection to tell it exactly when to fire extreme fuel pressure into the heavy cast iron cylinders. In fact, this entire massive power plant only requires one single electrical wire to actually run, which is the fuel shutoff solenoid. Here is the ultimate survival cheat code that preppers know and the modern dealerships want to keep hidden. If a catastrophic grid failure fries that one single solenoid, you can simply open the hood, tie a shoelace or a piece of scrap wire to the mechanical shutoff lever, pull it up by hand, pop the manual transmission clutch, and this absolute beast will roar to life. Once it is running, it requires absolutely zero electricity to operate and will keep towing heavy loads until it completely runs out of fuel. It is entirely immune to software glitches, remote vehicle shutdowns, and modern tracking. If you agree that the 12-valve Cummins is the greatest, most indestructible diesel engine ever produced in American history, smash that like button right now. And let me know in the comments if you are lucky enough to have one of these mechanical legends parked in your driveway.
We're living in an era where true vehicle ownership is being systematically erased by greedy automakers and government mandates. They're engineering brand new trucks to be fragile, easily traceable, and completely reliant on a fragile digital grid that can fail at any moment. Stop taking out 84-month loans for plastic computerized traps that you do not actually own. Find these rust-free analog beasts before they disappear completely. Buy them in cash, learn how to turn a wrench in your own driveway, and take back your absolute independence. If you found this survival guide valuable, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call about their modern luxury truck. Stay prepared, stay mechanical, and I will see you in the next video.